Okay, good morning, good afternoon, class. So, we're going to learn about alphabets today, letters of the alphabet. So, everybody here, who knows about the letters in the alphabets? From A to Z, letter A to Z. Now, what we're going to learn today is alphabets, but we're going to learn the original sounds of alphabets. We call that phonics. And so, this will help us understand much better of what we're going to, when we're about to start reading, knowing the sounds of each letter, help us understand how we can read better, how you can sound out a word. So when you see the word, you can sound it out, and then you can read it as a whole word, as a whole group. So that's the main objective of the lesson today. So by the end of this class, so hopefully we're all able to learn 3-letter words. We're all able to sound it out through its phonetic sounds. Okay. We're going to start with a little activity. I'm going to teach you guys a song, and it's a phonic song. It's called Ants on the Apple. So I'm going to play it, and then we're going to repeat afterwards, after it, okay? So the song will go from letter A to Z. So we're going to listen first, and then after we listen, we're going to repeat what we have just heard. Okay. Ready? Ready! Okay.
Ants on the apple, ants on the apple. Ants on the apple, ants on the apple, ants on the apple, it's the sound of A.
So what's the sound?
Ah.
Ah. Can everybody say ah?
Ah.
When you open your mouth, you're going to open your mouth wide, and you're going to say, it's like ah.
Ah.
Good job. Okay, we're going to sing this song at the end of the class, okay? So, we're going to continue on first. Ants on the apple. Can everybody say that?
Ants on the apple.
Balls are bouncing. Balls are bouncing, balls are bouncing, balls are bouncing, it's the sound of B.
Right, so what is the sound of the letter?
Ba.
B.
Ba.
B.
Ba.
B. That's the original.
Caterpillar's coughing. Caterpillar's coughing, Caterpillar's coughing, Caterpillar's coughing, it's the sound of C.
So what is the sound?
K.
K. For caterpillars.
Caterpillars.
K for caterpillars.
D. Dolls are dancing. Dolls are dancing, da da da. Dolls are dancing, da da da. Dolls are dancing, da 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 da. It's the sound of D.
Alright, so what is the sound?
D.
D. Everybody say D. 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 D.
E. Elegant elephants. Elegant elephants, elegant elephants, elegant elephants, it's the sound of E.
What is the sound?
Mm.
Eh. So instead of saying the letter E, it's actually the letter eh. That is the original sound.
5 flamingos. 5 flamingos. 5 flamingos. 5 flamingos. It's the sound of F.
Right. So what is the sound? So it's like you put your teeth, your front teeth, you bite it on your lower lips and say. Right. Letter F. We may have to make this into 2 lessons, so we're going to go through until letter maybe H, and then we're going to continue next week.
Okay.
Let's go through some letters.
Goats are giggling.
That looks creepy.
Goats are giggling. Goats are giggling. Goats are giggling. Goat is the sound of G.
What is the sound?
G.
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 G for goats. G for giggling. G.
Helicopters hovering. Helicopters hovering. Helicopters hovering. Helicopters hovering. It's the sound of H.
So what is the sound? Ha. It's like ha.
Just like when you laugh. Ha 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 ha.
We're going to continue on with the rest of the song at the end of the class. So we're going to. This is just like a warm up activity to get you guys interested. But this phonics lessons is very important because knowing the sound will help us read better. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull out a chart of the alphabets to help me with it. Okay, so can everybody see that? Yeah. So I'm going to say the sound of the alphabet, and you're going to repeat after me, but just like the song, just like we did in the song. Okay. Starting from letter A. A for apple. The sound is ah. Can everybody say that? Ah, ah. A for apple. Ah, ah, apple.
A for apple. Is it? How you
Yes.
say it?
A for apple. Ah, ah, apple.
Oh.
A for
Apple.
Apple. Good job. B for ball. B, ball.
B for ball. B, ball.
Very good.
Yes, ito na pa eh.
C for chair. It's actually k. But okay, let's. This might be the wrong chart that I pull out. But C is actually k. Can everybody say k?
K.
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 K for caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. There you go.
Caterpillar.
And then this one, D for door. D, door.
D for door. D, door.
Good job. Let me find another. This one might be the wrong chart that I was going to. There you go. This is the one.
Anymore.
Sorry.
You can just leave it like that.
Function. Yeah, just leave it like that. Okay. All right. Let's go again from. Let's go from C. C for cat. Cat.
C for cat. Cat.
All right. There's E for elephant. Elephant.
E for elephant. Elephant.
F for fish. Fish.
F for fish. Fish.
All right. G for goat. Goat.
G for goat. Goat.
All right. H for what picture is that again? H for I think that's a hat. Should be hat.
Yeah.
H for hat. Hat.
H for hat. H, hat.
I for igloo. Igloo.
I for eagle. Eagle.
J for jar. Jar.
J for jar. Jar.
Okay, so I think we did stop at H earlier, so this is going a little bit over. But so now that we've practiced a little bit, let's try it one more time from A to letter H, but just the sound of it, not with the example. So it's ah, b,
B,
k,
K,
d,
D,
ah,
E,
g,
G,
h.
H,
Alright. I,
E,
j,
J,
k,
K,
l.
L,
Mm.
M,
You close your mouth.
M,
O,
O,
p,
P,
qu,
Q,
r,
R. Is it how you say it?
r.
R,
Yes, you roll your tongue. R. Can you make the sound?
R,
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
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 Okay. For sun.
Sun.
T.
T.
Can anyone guess what is the sound of this? What picture is that?
It's an umbrella.
Umbrella. So what's the sound of the letter? Ah.
Oh, is it
It's ah. It's like ah. This is ah.
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 Ah for umbrella.
Umbrella.
Ah.
Ah.
Very good. For vacuum.
Vacuum.
W.
W.
X.
S.
For X. X-ray.
For X-ray.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Z.
like a bee. Like the bee sound. So that's the phonic sounds. Do you have any questions? Anything you want to repeat? No? How about you got this? Okay. If you got this, then we're going to quiz it out. Okay. So, what is the sound of telephone? T.
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 Okay. How about this one?
Jar.
J.
What is the sound?
J.
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 J. Yeah, so I want you
J.
to sound it out. Sound the letter. How about this one?
B.
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 B. Alright, so how about this one? Ah.
Ah.
Ah. Okay, very good. So we know the sounds now. So knowing the sound should be able to help us how to read later on. We didn't go through all the examples yet, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to go to each so what we're going to do right now is we're going to use some examples of some 3-letter words. Right, can everybody see that? Okay. So we're going to sound this according to the phonetic sounds, according to the phonic sounds. For instance, what is this letter?
H.
Letter H. What is the sound? It's like throwing a breath. Ah. T.
T.
So, can you sound it out?
Hat.
At.
Hat.
At. 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 Hat. So that's how you're going to start reading it out. It's kind of tough because everybody here knows how to read. Okay. Imagine that you don't know how to read first. So it's at.
Hat.
Hat. Hat.
Hat.
Hat. There
Hat.
you go. And then you can match it up with the picture of the hat. Yeah. For your homework. And then second one. B.
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 Ah.
Ah.
T. B.
At.
B.
B. At. B. At. B. At. Bat.
Hat.
Yeah. So you sound each letter first and you combine it together. Bat.
Bat.
This one? Can you try?
K. At.
Can every okay, let's have one by one. How about Eva first?
K. At.
K.
K.
At.
Cat.
Cat.
K. At. B. B. K. At. Cat.
Cap.
Sẽ thay chữ in. Fan.
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 Fan. Okay. Alright, so now that we know the 3-letter words, these are all the sounds. So we're going to memorize the song now. Memorize the sound of the letter. Okay. So I'm going to teach you the song one more time. Ready?
Ready.
Ready? Ready. Okay. So we're gonna sing it one more time, and then after this, yeah, I'm going to give you your assignments.
Ants on the apple. Ants on the apple. Ants on the apple. Ants on the apple. Is the sound of A.
So what is the sound?
Ah.
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 Okay. Ah for apple.
Apple.
Do you have apples for us?
Balls are bouncing.
B.
Balls are
Balls are bouncing. Balls are bouncing. Balls are bouncing. It's the sound of B.
Yeah. So B is the sound of
B.
for ball.
Ball.
B for balls.
Caterpillars coughing. Caterpillars coughing. Caterpillars coughing. Caterpillars coughing. It's the sound of C.
Alright, so what's the sound?
K.
K for
C.
C.
for caterpillars.
Coughing. Cat.
D. Dolls are dancing. Dolls are dancing. Dolls are dancing. Dolls are dancing. It's the sound of D.
What is the sound?
D.
D for
Dogs.
dogs.
D.
D for dogs. D.
Elegant elephants. Elegant elephants. Elegant elephants. Elegant elephants. It's the sound of E.
So what is the sound?
Eh.
Eh for elephant.
Elephant.
Alright.
5 flamingos.
Ready?
5 flamingos. 5 flamingos. 5 flamingos. It's the sound of F.
Okay. Next one.
H.
What is the letter? After
G.
Goats are giggling. Goats are giggling. Goats are giggling.
G for goats.
Helicopters hovering. Helicopters hovering. Helicopters hovering. Helicopters hovering. It's the sound of age.
And we're gonna stop there. Okay. So, alright. So, we're gonna stop there now. So basically that is the sound, that is what we call phonics. It is the original sound of the letters. And knowing the original sound of the letters will help us read better. Will help us understand the structure of each word. Okay. I'm going to pull this whiteboard now. So, as last activity of the day, I'm going to hand out worksheets later on. Okay. So, we're going to have a small sort of fun activity where I'm going to call you out one by one, and we're going to read together the words on the board. Okay? All right. So I'm going to have books. So I'm going to test one by one, since the books are going to be assigned also for reading at home. But for now, we're going to call one by one, starting from Eva. So from Eva, Nale, and then Seta. So you're going to write down the letter that I'm going to sound. Okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Okay. So, or the sound will be b,
B.
b, b. Okay? B, ah,
Oh.
ah, ah, t, t. All right. Can you sound it out now?
B. At. Bat.
Okay, good job. How's that? Next. Nice. Okay. Your sound will be k. K. Second letter will be ah, ah. Third letter will be p. 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 Alright. Are you sure?
Yes.
Listen to me again. P. P. P.
Claro.
Oi.
P. There you go. Alright. So, can you sound it out?
Ka. Ba.
P.
Ba.
P.
Ba.
Yeah. P. There you
Ba.
go. P.
Ba.
Yeah, that's okay. I'm gonna write it down here. So, this is the sound of B, right? B is B. B.
Ba.
B. B for B. This is P for P.
P.
Like pen,
Pen.
or pack, or pot. B. So B and P, they sound very similar, yeah? But they're very different. So, can we sound this out, Nale? K,
Ka.
ah. K, ah.
Ba.
K,
Ka.
ah.
Ba.
Can you repeat?
Ka. Ba. Cap.
Cap. Okay. Very good. And Seta.
Your turn, Seta. Don't sleep in class. You're gonna get it.
Okay.
Espero que ya muy
So, ready? Your word will be H. it out.
Ha.
The sound is ha.
Ha. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah, like that.
Like that.
Oh, t. So what is it?
Hot.
Hot.
Hot pop.
Okay, so. Okay.
I'm hot. Not like that's what it means.
It takes practice, yeah.
Yes.
Kasi naman, hyperactive.
So. Alright. So my homework today will be for you guys to practice the Ants on the Apple song. And then I'm going to give out some worksheets at the end of the day so that you can practice your 3-letter words and sound it out at home. And make sure that by next week we'll be able to sing that song in class, okay?
Okay.
That's the lesson.
Thank you.